You can replace this text with any text you wish. You can either write in this text box or paste your own text here. Try different languages and voices. Change the speed and the pitch of the voice. You can even tweak the SSML, speech synthesis markup language, to control how the different sections of the text sound. Click on SSML above to give it a try. Enjoy using text-to-speech. The American Vogue's model Paloma Elsesser was born on April 12, 1992, in Camden, London, England, UK. Her birth name is Paloma Kite Shockley Elsesser. Paloma is the daughter of an African-American mother and a Chilean-Swiss father. But her parents' name is not available at the moment. She grew up in Los Angeles, California. She has one sister named Paloma Elsesser, who is also an actress and model signed to IMG. Later on, she moved to New York City in 2010. The Els model Paloma Elsesser is 27 years old. She was born under her birth sign of Aries. The gorgeous model Paloma gained name and fame wherever she goes. Paloma has a height of 5 feet 8 inches. She weighs 70 kilograms. The Wonderland magazine's model Paloma is still single. There is no more information about her relationship status. She is a very private person who has not revealed her personal life to the public. The 27-year-old model Paloma began her modeling career after she was discovered on Instagram by makeup artist Pat McGrath. After, she got many opportunities from various brands like Fenty Beauty by Rihanna and Glossier. The W magazine's model Paloma has an estimated net worth of around $300,000. She earns the sum of money from her professional career as a model and her Instagram account. Paloma is one of the successful women and richest women in the fashion world.